Home remedy for headache. A good home remedy for headache is to drink tea made from lemon seed. But chamomile tea with other herbs is also excellent for relieving headache and migraine because they possess analgesic and anti-inflammatory action. In addition to these teas, there are other natural strategies that can be used to increase the effect of these teas. See 5 steps to remove the headache without medication. However, in case of severe or recurrent headache, it is important to find out the cause that causes it in order to be able to treat it properly. The main causes of headache are tiredness, stress and sinusitis, but very severe headaches and constant headache should be investigated by a neurologist. 1. Tea from lemon seeds. Home remedy for headache. An excellent home remedy for headache is tea from citrus seeds such as orange, lemon and mandarin. This seed powder is rich in natural antioxidants, flavonoids and anti-inflammatory drugs that are effective in fighting headache. Ingredients. 1. Seeds of mandarin. 1. Seeds of orange. 1. Lemon seeds. Preparation mode. Place all seeds on a tray and bring to the oven for about 1 minute, or until they dry completely. Then you need to liquefy them so that they become powder and store in a tightly closed glass container like a glass container of mayonnaise, for example. To make the remedy, place 1 teaspoon of the powder in a cup and cover with boiling water. Tape, let cool, strain and drink then. Take a cup of this tea 3 minutes before meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, during the period of headache crisis and, after 3 days, evaluate the results. 2. Tea with chamomile. Home remedy for headache. A good natural remedy for headache caused by anxiety and stress situations is sake tea, lemon, calendula and chamomile, as these herbs have powerful soothing and relaxing effect that help relieve pressure. Ingredients. 1 handful of lemon sachet. 1 handful of calendula. 1 handful of chamomile. 1 liter of boiling water. Preparation mode. Place the herbs inside a pot with boiling water, cover and let stand for 1 minute. Then strain and drink the tea still hot. It can be sweetened to taste with a little honey. 3. Lavender compress. Home remedy for headache. Another great natural solution for headache is to apply a cold compress prepared with essential oils of lavender and marjoram on the head and leave for a few minutes. The ingredients used in this home remedy help relieve physical and mental stress, due to its relaxing properties. In addition to being used to reduce headaches, the aromatherapy compress can also be used to decrease anxiety and tension. Ingredients. 5 drops of lavender essential oil. 5 drops of essential oil of marjoram. A bucket of cold water. Preparation mode. Essential oils of both plants should be added in a container with cold water. Then 2 towels should be wetted in the water and drained slightly. You need to lie down and apply a towel on the forehead and another on the base of the neck. The compress should be kept for 3 minutes. When the body gets used to the temperature of the towel, again wet it to keep it always cool. However, if these treatments do not work, it is important to go to your doctor because it may be necessary to start using medications.